Students, myself Professor Rahul Mukherjee, and I am here to explain you all, to convey you all the subject brand management. Talking about brand management, let us first understand what is brand, the word itself. So talking about brand as somewhere we all have an idea that brand is a unique identity that a product or a service carries. A company gives a product or a service a name to make it known in the market by that particular product or by that particular name, etc. Somewhere relating to the product or service, and getting it launched in the market to earn more and more of revenue by creating a bang-on impression or image in the market. Talking about brand, it carries a value, it has a design, it mostly carries a logo by which we recognize by visualizing or looking at it. It carries a strategy as well. Right time पे right brand launch होना भी जरूरी है. It develops a trust because it's mainly developed to convey a message to the consumers, the way they perceive things. It is advertised. A brand is advertised to make it popular, to make it known to the people. A brand is marketed by putting a huge amount, push it in the market or to create an impression. And a brand, as said, has a unique identity. Moving ahead with this, talking about a brand, it mainly, as said, conveys a message to the consumers that we are known by this name. जैसे जब मिनरल वाटर बॉटल या मिनरल वाटर का नाम या ख्याल दिमाग में आता है, we recognize it or we understand it through the name Bisleri. जब हम चॉकलेट्स या कॉन्फेक्शनरी की बात करते हैं, so normally हम उसे कौन से नाम से जाने जाते हैं? We recognize it through the name Cadbury. ऐसे ही when we talk about milk, a powdered milk, we talk about Amul or butter, Amul. So this is when we talk about a sports shoe, mainly Adidas or Nike as a brand name comes in front of us. So this is about a brand that gets recognized slowly by slowly, that is created or put in the minds of people as per their perception, the way they will perceive or digest things or accept things, and that is how a brand becomes a name that is being known or popular or easily recognized by people everywhere. Like for example, if I go to purchase a watch, so the first thing which I'll think of maybe Titan, Rolex, G-Shock, Fastrack, etc. depending on my choice or depending on what image or impression that company has created in my mind about that particular brand. Have they associated it with my age group, etc., my fashion, my trend, or the way I live, I stay, I have my lifestyle, etc. All those things are considered, and then an advertisement or a way of promotion is designed to push that particular brand in the market. So moving ahead with this, I would mainly focus on brand management now. Coming to brand management after describing what is brand. Brand management basically is how you run a brand to make it successful, so that it starts generating revenue for you, more and more profit for you. So basically I would say in simple words for you all that brand management is a process of building a brand. Jaise you can say Tata Nano. Initially it was launched through the price strategy that 1 lakh की गाड़ी है, ठीक है? So now we know the product by its name, Tata Nano, which means a small car, ठीक है? Provided to us. So this is how brand management, it's mainly a process of building a brand of a particular product or service which enables the users or customers or prospective consumers to think about it, to associate himself or herself with the product and then go and purchase that particular product. And then यहाँ पे कंपनी का काम पूरा हो जाता है of promoting a brand or somewhere influencing the market in terms of their brand and pushing people to purchase or get addicted to their brand, and there is where develops brand loyalty. So slowly by slowly we would come to brand loyalty as well. A small example given in the PPT, if you all can relate. Now the world is of social media, virtual classrooms, etc. So you will get to see that the narrations which are put in newspaper article, in news channel, etc., in any social media site like Facebook, Twitter, वहाँ पे भी you will get to see they try to put certain words which are related to some of the other brands. So this is how they try to manage their brand, maintain, sustain in the market. Moving ahead with this, I would like to share with you all what exactly from consumer's point of view a brand is. So brand exactly is the way a consumer or customer perceive a product or a service or maybe a company from a period of time. जैसे when I talk about Tatas, so you know Tatas are mainly customer friendly, they are they focus on employees benefits or their welfare also. So what the companies try to do, they just try to study or analyze the perception, the way people think, the way people actually accept things easily, and thereby they try to develop a brand name with this connection, and they try to push the product in the market. So this is how things work for brand. Moving ahead with this, the next part, if you go to see in the slides, you will get to see when talking about brand loyalty, you will get to see that brand loyalty develops slowly by slowly, right? It takes time. But when I talk about a brand and when I talk about a product, slightly they have a difference. Obviously, a product is a tangible thing which I can touch, which I can use, yes. But brand I can feel, I can create my image through it, I can create a reputation through it. Yes, I can associate myself with a brand, but product I can actually use. So mainly creating or launching a product or maybe making the product unique enough or popular enough through the brand name makes the customers connect with the company, and there develops a relationship by which people get used to such brands कि अगर डिटर्जेंट लेना है तो टाइड ही लेंगे, अगर मुझे बाइक खरीदना है तो बजाज का ही लेंगे या पल्सर ही खरीदेंगे, ऐसा अगर मुझे नॉन गियर कैटेगरी ऑफ टू व्हीलर में जाना है तो होंडा एक्टिवा ही लेंगे. This is how slowly by slowly a brand through its quality or service or targeting the perception or thinking of people, they try to mold the buying behavior or consumer behavior of people. Moving ahead with this, we would like to come up to the one of the most important questions of your exam, you can say question of your exam, benefits or advantages of branding to the companies. ये तो हुआ कि कंज्यूमर्स को इजीली एक प्रोडक्ट सेलेक्ट करने मिल जाता है या बेनिफिट्स ऑफ अ पॉपुलर ब्रांड, क्रिएटिंग इमेज, रेपुटेशन. बट व्हाट अबाउट अ सेलर? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे गेट टू क्रिएट एन इंप्रेशन. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, Activa is our brand and who are we? We are Honda, right? Something like that. ठीक है? Swift, which was a very popular and successful car brand. तो Maruti Suzuki can proudly say ये वो हमारा ब्रांड था, Swift the car or Swift Desire. So advantages to producers are this: they can easily advertise the product by its name, right? Sometimes a brand personality is also created, a brand ambassador like a cricketer or maybe some other sports personality or film star is associated with brand. Like we know Ranveer Singh is associated with Head and Shoulder, etc. Something like that, right? It gives an identity to the product of the company, so it becomes easy for the company to extend its product line also. Product line मतलब I would say for example Cadbury को चॉकलेट से हम पहचानते हैं, so Cadbury Bournvita हम जानते हैं. Then they came out with Cadbury Oreo biscuits. Later part they came out with Bournvita biscuits as well. So this is how they are using a brand to name some sub brands of that particular company, so that people recognize it with yes, chocolate flavor है, biscuit है, Bournvita है, we can go for it. In this way, a company can earn more revenue or more profit for itself because people are recognizing and getting used to their brands, getting brand loyal, and they can expand their product line or product mix as well. Also, they develop a good relationship with the customers because customers become used to brand loyal to their other products also. Because if I am brand loyal to a company, say for example MI or Redmi that you mainly do. So if अगर मैंने मोबाइल फ़ोन ले लिया है, I will and I am quite happy with it. So through this brand, I will also look for a TV. I will also look for a headset of MI, Bluetooth, etc., etc. This is how things go on for the companies as an advantage of brand. Moving ahead, if I discuss the advantages or benefits to the consumers. So very quick review we will take about it. We have already discussed some. It gives a reputation or image to me if I use a Rolex watch, maybe, yes. if I have a Mercedes Benz with me and I'm driving that car, so that is a brand and I will be known with that brand or that particular reputed company, right? It somewhere gives me an idea of about the quality of the product. कि brand है तो chances ये है कि the quality of the product will be good enough to use. So it mainly symbolizes the quality also. It gives me a commitment somewhere कि हमारा brand is popular, well recognized, so don't worry, you can take it. So somewhere directly or indirectly I get some assurance, I get some guarantee about this particular brand or particular product. Identification of source of the product, you can say the product gets known by that company's name. So n number of advantages which consumers get, a brand image, demonstration effect in economics that you learn also can be associated with it. Now moving ahead with this, advantages to the producers, companies and the customers. Slightly a differentiation about what a product and brand is. A product is a tangible thing as said earlier and brand is intangible. A product can be touched and used, but a brand can just be felt and used for reputation, right? A product somewhere can be designed physically, but a brand has to be developed practically by putting it through promotions, advertisements, etc. in the market. So product somewhere is related to its usage and brand mainly we use it to say, to create an impression, image in the world. Last but not the least, a product may solve a problem maybe in my daily routine life, maybe to get rid of the room odor, I may have a room freshener. But a brand will somewhere help me just to create a perception of my personality in the eyes of others whom I meet. So this was about brand versus product. Moving ahead with this, I would highlight as the last part of the introduction of this subject a scope of branding. Now talking about scope of branding, I would rather say scope of branding mainly talks about the areas which branding covers. ब्रांडिंग कौन कौन सी चीज़ों में हो सकता है, कौन कौन से एरियाज में, कौन कौन से फील्ड्स में हो सकता है. सो अल्टीमेटली एज वी ऑल नो ब्रांड रिसाइड्स इन द माइंड्स ऑफ द कंज्यूमर. सो हम कौन कौन सी चीज़ों में ब्रांडिंग या ब्रांड यूज कर सकते हैं या इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं. इट्स मेनली टारगेटिंग द थॉट प्रोसेस ऑफ पीपल एंड देन नेमिंग अ प्रोडक्ट. दैट्स लाइक एयरलाइंस है तो नाम रखा है स्पाइस जेट, राइट? So something like that, you can relate it with many products and services, right? Next, moving ahead with this, scope of branding में आप आगे देखोगे कि कौन से चीज़ों से कनेक्शन रह सकते हैं. जैसे एक प्रोडक्ट को हम पैंटीन नाम के शैम्पू को ब्रांड के साथ एसोसिएट कर सकते हैं. देन बिग बाजार एज अ बिग स्टोर, वी अंडरस्टैंड इट, वी नो इट एज बिग बाजार, जबकि वो फ्यूचर जनरल ग्रुप का है. ठीक है. ब्रांड पर्सनैलिटीज लाइक विराट कोहली एज अ क्रिकेटिंग पर्सनल ब्रांड एम्बेसडर, right? Or maybe Shah Rukh Khan as a brand ambassador of a particular product, etc. Maybe Byju's app and so on. So this is about relating a brand with certain products will make you understand what is scope of branding all about. So basically moving ahead with this, you will see in the PPT also that almost everything can become a brand. Like physical goods हमने देखा, services, yes it can become a brand. Like service of a tuition class or service of a hotel like Taj, we all know Taj Land Ends, etc. JW Marriott, right? Javed Habib, who are into salon and beauty parlors, etc. So we know services also through brands. Then next is a store as discussed, a person, a personality like Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a big brand of India, right? Something like that. Ratan Tata is a big brand for Tata company itself. Coming out of this, ideas can also be a brand. एक idea भी I can have its patent, copyrights done, and this can also become a brand for me. Like if you all know, then Oyo Hotel was an idea by a 20-year guy when he started his career. He was from a very poor background, from a very poor village of India and a very poor family. Once he saw that a hotel is vacant and it was a very luxurious hotel, what did he do? He just changed the ambience, the look of the hotel. He clicked some photos, he uploaded it on some site, and he gave it a name as Oyo. And now at present, thousands of hotels are looking for Oyo to get it registered. So Oyo has become a brand, a big brand. An event can also be given a brand, a name of brand. Like Umang Festival, we all know it is quite popular in Mumbai. Something like that. Filmfare Awards, we all know. So ये एक नाम से जाना जाता है और वही नाम से कंज्यूमर्स भी वो कंपनी या ब्रांड के पीछे जाते हैं एंड दे स्पेंड फॉर इट एंड द कंपनी गेट्स इट्स रेवेन्यू एज इट्स मोटिव. Moving ahead to the last part of our discussion is brand therefore gives a recognition to a product, to a service, to a company by which we recognize a particular product, we become brand loyal. But ये सब तब होगा जब क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विस उतनी अच्छी होगी या उस चीज़ को उतनी पहचान मिल जाएगी, एक नाम मिल जाएगा, एक पॉपुलैरिटी मिल जाएगा एंड वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से भी ब्रांड प्रमोशन किया जाता है एज वी ऑल नो. So this is about branding as explained from my side. I hope so you have understand this much better as compared to what you knew. I hope so. Any other feedback you can let us know by the source given to you. And brand, always remember, will always be associated with you as a personality also. The way you groom yourself, the way you upgrade and update yourself on daily basis, the knowledge you have, the service you provide to the corporates, to the companies, to any organization. One day you will become a brand, you will stand erect enough to demand some amount, some package that you want, but before that you will have to be a well-recognized brand which gives a better service to a company, that the company has that perception to hire you as a big brand or unique identity. Thank you everyone, that's it from my side.